So how did you do? Did you get it to work? All right, let's take a look at how I solved the problem. Now, one of the things I want to point out is that it's not important that you got the same answer that I did because there's many ways you can solve problems like this using jQuery. I'm just going to show you how I chose to solve the problem, and your solution may have been a little bit different. So I'm going to close the Start folder and open the Finished folder here and scroll down to the Restaurant to Room page, and I'm going to scroll down to the section that we had to work on. So remember that inside this unordered list, we had list items, and each one of these had attributes on them indicating whether they were a meat restaurant or whether they were vegetarian friendly. So if you look at the way that I solved the problem, up here in my Document Ready function, when the page loads, I only need one line of code to solve this problem. I have a jQuery selector that looks for list items that have a data type attribute equal to the value veg, but only those inside the restaurant's list. Then I use the append function to append this string of text to that list item. So let's scroll down. You can see here's the unordered list with the ID of restaurants. So I'm scoping my selector to this item right here. And then the expression is going to look at all these list items and only select the ones that have the veg value. Then I append the text onto the end of the list item. That's all this line of code right here does. So I was able to solve this challenge within one line of code. Hopefully, your solution looks similar to mine. All right, let's move on.